Hello folks, thought I'd give you a little video about my latest restoration project. It's a 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350. It originally was sold brand new in Florida. Now it's in upstate New York. And it made its way through New York State, Southern Tier, Pennsylvania. I bought it out of Pennsylvania, now it's back in New York. So it's not a bad car, just a little bit of rust here and there. I'll open up the... Fortunately, it does have some rust in the floor pans. Don't punch through yet. I'll sand them down and see how bad it is. Got some interior work to do, obviously. But originally, it was an AC car, factory power windows, and a factory AM/FM radio. Which for 1976, it was pretty loaded. Show you under the hood. Oh, we're missing something. Unfortunately, we're missing the original engine. The guy I bought it from did throw in a 350 Pontiac, a 1974 block. And I was kind of up in the air when I bought this car. I bought it in February 2020, where I was going to go with the engine. I thought about an LS. I thought about building a 383 small block Chevy, which I always kind of wanted to do. But nothing against Chevys. They're just common. And, you know, everybody's got one. Everybody knows how to build one. I wanted something that was a challenge. I haven't built an engine in 30 years. So I'm going to stick with the Pontiac engine. I don't know where I'm going to go with it yet. I got a couple options. I did find a set of forged pistons for a 350 Pontiac, which are rare. And I was thinking about either going with a stroker combination or just maybe building it stock, stroke 350, 30 over, and work on the heads and intake and cam and stuff. It's got a turbo 350 automatic. I was kicking around putting a standard into it. The only problem is I'm in my 50s now and my knees kill me. I've got two cars that are standard transmission and my knee always throbs after driving them. So I think I'm just going to keep it an automatic. I want this car to be a cruiser. So, but it's got good bones. I've been watching a lot of videos lately. Chaos Garage is restoring a 78 Formula, and then Heavy Pedal Garage, he's doing a 75. He's actually come along pretty nice on that car. It's giving me a lot of inspiration. So check out their channels. I think you'll like their videos. Like and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So that's where we're at. I'm going to make some videos when I start tearing it apart. I got to get it up on the lift here, take the transmission out of it and the gas tank, start looking at the underneath, what I got to do there. Probably take the front clip and subframe off it too. Get them all cleaned up and prepped. So that's where we're at. And look forward to making more videos to show you. Thank you.